ng dinengdeng. Ang sahog natin ay hipon. Nagbalat ako ng pasaya ng hipon at kinuha ko yung ulo para masarap yung ating sabaw. Dikdikin natin yung ulo ng pasaya ng hipon. Naglagay na ako ng konting kamatis, tomatoes, with ginger and red onions, kapinay. To make our juice, our sabaw more tasty, so we will do like this, Filipino style. We do like this to get the flavor of more shrimp flavor. So we will make the heat high. So this is what we're gonna do. Press the shrimp heads to make our juice more flavorful. Smells so good. Smells like shrimp. Instead of sip-sipin yung sabaw, yung ulo ay dikdikin natin. Gusto ko maghigop ng sabaw. I want some juice. Dik-dik pa more. Dik-dik pa more. This is how I make my spaghetti sauce also. Yung dikdikin mo yung ulo ng shrimp. Alright. I think that's how we got all the flavor already, kapinay. Did we miss anything? Oh, we missed one. Good. Do like that. Dik-diks. Dik-dik. Good. Okay. I think that's about it. Bikin natin. Okay, we're done. Okay. Alright, we will let it boil for a few minutes, 1 or 2, to cook the shrimp flavor first. We're gonna smash the tomato while doing that. Tirisin natin yung kamatis. Oops, meron isa pa. Oh, okay. Because this is like a dozen of shrimp. Pero yung sahog natin ay kalahati lang. Mas mahirap pag iisa pala. Yun. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, kapinali it boil for a few minutes. 1 minute to cook the shrimp. Alright, let's taste the saltiness. Let's add a little bit more patis. Yan. Okay, that's about it. This squash from the garden. Last fruit. Last produce, Kapinay. This is just half. Lagyan na natin. Okay, oopsie. I still have the half one. I'm gonna make okoy. Gonna make okoy from it soon. Kombucha squash. And this is also our bitter melon from the garden. Huling bunga rin ito. Wilt it with salt to remove some of the bitterness. Yan ang crispy. Pwede rin na rin gawing salad. Pait. Okay, let's cook our squash. Okay, Kapinay, let's check if our squash is already half cooked. Yes. Yeah. Okay, since our squash is already half cooked, we will put our bitter melon, Kapinay. You know. Oh, dami. Sarap yan. Manamis-namis na, mapait-pait ng konti. Masarap ang sabaw. Lagay ko na lahat. And we will also put our shrimp. It's already peeled. Para subo na lang ng subo. Yun, sarap. Sarap yan, Kapinay. Okay. Meron na lang lasang shrimp yan kasi yung ulo, di ba? Alright, lutuin natin yung ating ampalaya. Takpan natin. Sarap. Sarap yan, Kapinay. Okay, Kapinay, let's check again. Ayun. Ito na yung ating shrimp. Wow, looks so good. Alrighty. Let's taste it. Ito na yung kalabasa. Tikman natin. Ayun. Luto na yung ating kalabasa, Kapinay. And let's taste our bitter melon. Luto na ito. Oops, nakulog siya. Taste it. Wow, sarap. Ang tamis ng sabaw, Kapinay. Pwede na. Pwede na. Yan o, sarap. Kunti pa. Ayun. Ang sarap. Sarap yung luya. Natin ulit. Sarap. Shrimp and bitter melon and kombucha squash. Yan. Wow, yummy. Yan, ito na natin. Okay, Kapinay, luto na ang ating gulay. We don't want to overcook it. Yung shrimp ay luto na rin. So, That's it. Kain na tayo. Nagugutom na mi. Painit ako ng kanin. Already. Turn off the heat. Yes. Okay, kapinay. Kain na tayo. Magsandong na tayo. Dito ko na lang ilagay yung ulam para may sabaw na. Ayun. Oh. Siyempre, unahin natin yung shrimp. Yun oh, sarap. Yun, dito ka na maghigop. Yun oh, sarap kapinay oh. Yun, sarap yan. Yan, dyan na tayo maghigop. Yun oh, sarap. Yes, thank you Lord. Yun. Yan o, kapinay. Yun, kain na tayo. Kain. Okay, kapinay. Ito na yung ating ulam na ampalaya with kalabasa. Yan o, ikot ko na. See, it looks so good, isn't it? Yun, sarap. Kain na tayo. Yung sabaw, yan dyan na rin. So, naglabay tayo. Sa Ilocano yan, naglabay. If you mix your ulam sa yung kanin with the sabaw means naglabay. Yun. Kaya na tayo, kapinay. Baka mainit. Sarap ng sabaw. Awesome. Yes, awesome, kapinay. Perfect. Ang sarap ng kalabasa. And this is our bermel. Ang ating ampalaya. Hipan natin. Crunchy. Sarap. Off. Ang sarap kapinay. Yung aking kalabasa ay hindi ko na binalatan kasi ito ang kalabasa ko ay nakahang, hindi yan nasa lupa, so it's clean and it's organic, so I did not peel it. Okay, kapinay, I hope you like my ulam. Kahit simpleng ulam yan, masarap. Okay, pwede rin yung isahog yung dried shrimp, diba? Okay, thank you. Enjoy your cooking.